Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in Dayal Programming Academy. Today I am going to demonstrate how we can create an email template. So what is email template? Email templates are pre-designed layouts that can be used to create email, right? So let's see how we can do this, how we can create an email template. In quick find box, just type here email templates. Right? Click on classic email templates. So this is the general one which is defined by the Salesforce, and these some are the private folder. How we can create our private folder? I have made a video already on this topic. You can go for it. So for now just click here on new template button to create a new template, right? Email template. Just click here. Here you can create a 4 type of email templates. You can create by text, HTML, custom, visual force. For now I'm just choosing this option, text one, right? So click on next button. Now check this checkbox available for use. If you will check this box, then you will be able to use this template, right? If you will not check, then this template you cannot use, right? So just check this box if you want to make it for use. Now email template name is, I can give email template for book sales. Okay, so description if you want to give, you can give here. Subject, now send a mail to the customer about the discount, right? So I'm using this template for sending a mail to tell the customer about the discount offer, right? You can give a subject as per your requirement for which purpose you are going to create this email template, right? So let's type body here. Here I can give hi, there is a big discount offer is going on. Please don't miss this opportunity. This offer is valid for 5 days. Okay, you can write whatever you want to write as a mail body. Okay, so here you can type with regards, thank you, or whatever you make a signature here, you can do this. Okay, so in this way you can create your email template. One more thing I would like to tell you, suppose you want to give a name here or particular name which customer will receive this, so you can do this. How you can do this? This is a list of objects fields available. So which object you want to relate with this email template, you can choose for this. For example, for now I can show you bookshop fields, right? As I select this object fields, so all fields are available here. You can choose any of, suppose I am choosing first name, right, or customer name. So just copy this and paste it here. So it will work, it will show the name of that particular customer to whom you want to send this mail, right, by creating this email template. So email template means format of the mail. What should be the format? Whatever you want to send to your customer or your client or your user, anyone, right? So by doing this, just click on, for now I am just removing this because I am not specifying any particular object here, right? So you can do this directly. I am showing you directly. Just click on save button, right? So in this way we can create our email template, right? If you want to check this, then you can verify from here. Just click on here, you can write an email address name and you can check by pressing the OK button, right? For now I am not showing anything, just click on cancel. So this is the way. If you want to attach some attachment, so you can go from here, right, by clicking on this attach file. Okay, so in this way we can create our email templates. So thank you for watching. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.